Hi friends, welcome back to English Worms. I am Vikas sir, going to discuss about the current affairs GK of 17th November 2021. So let us start. So this is question number 1 for today. The question is, the regional plan of action for adaptation to drought is associated with which institution? Again, the regional plan of action for adaptation to drought is associated with which institution? Options are G20, BRICS, ASEAN, BIMSTEC. The right answer is option C, that is ASEAN. So, United Nations Economic and Social Commission for Asia and the Pacific launched the ASEAN Regional Plan of Action for Adaptation to Drought. The actions are divided into 26 sub-actions and an implementation plan covering 2021 to 2025. One of the key recommendations is for the establishment of a technical working group on adaptation to drought. The plan consists of 9 groups of action covering a drought management cycle and coordination on the regional and national levels. So this is question number 2. The question is, the final Glasgow COP26 agreement aimed at capping global warming at -degree Celsius. Again, the final Glasgow COP26 agreement aimed at capping global warming at -degree Celsius. Options are 1, 1.5, 2.0, 3.0. The right answer is option B, that is 1.5. So, UN Climate Summit in Glasgow, Scotland has concluded with a global agreement aimed at keeping global warming at 1.5 degrees Celsius. This Glasgow Pact is the first ever climate deal to explicitly plan to reduce coal, the worst fossil fuel for greenhouse gases. So this is question number 3. The question is, what is the theme of World Diabetes Day 2021? Again, what is the theme of World Diabetes Day 2021? The right answer is access to diabetes care, leaving none behind, importance of insulin sensitizers, respect to Sir Frederick Banting. The right answer is access to diabetes care. World Diabetes Day is celebrated every year on November 14 to mark the birthday of Sir Frederick Banting, who discovered the insulin hormone in 1922 along with Charles Herbert Best. According to experts, an estimated 463 million people worldwide suffer from diabetes, with type 2 diabetes, that means to be treated with insulin sensitizers, at 90% of the cases. The theme of for World Diabetes Day 2021-23 is access to diabetes care. If not now, when? So this is question number 4. The question is, which racing driver won the Sao Paulo Brazilian Grand Prix tournament? Again, which racing driver won the Sao Paulo Brazilian Grand Prix tournament? Options were are Lewis Hamilton, Max Verstappen, Charles Leclerc, Valtteri Bottas. The right answer is option A, that is Lewis Hamilton. So Lewis Hamilton, a 7-time world champion, beat Max Verstappen and obtained a stunning victory at the Brazilian Sao Paulo Grand Prix tournament. Though Hamilton started from 10th position on the grid due to a penalty, he finished first in the race. Valtteri Bottas finished at 3rd place in the tournament. So this is the last question of the day. So the question is, which union ministry has launched a unified mobile app for the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav events? Again, which union ministry has launched a unified mobile app for the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav events? Options are Ministry of External Affairs, Ministry of Culture, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Tourism. The right answer is option B, that is Ministry of Culture. So the Ministry of Culture has launched a unified mobile app for Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav events to enable access to all information related to the celebrations. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is the 75th anniversary of India's independence. The app includes links to sections such as Digital District Repository, Digital District Repository, and Unsung Heroes under History Corner. So now this is the turn to answer the question. I had asked a question yesterday. The question was, headquarters of National Housing Bank is located at? Options were Hyderabad, Lucknow, Mumbai, New Delhi. So the right answer is New Delhi. So headquarters of National Housing Bank is located at New Delhi. So now I ask a question. So this is the question of the day. The question is, the Commonwealth Games started from which among the following countries? Options are England, Australia, Canada, India. So answer this question in the comment box. I'll answer this question tomorrow. Thank you everyone. Stay blessed, stay healthy. Keep watching my video. Thank you everyone.